In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to create links between slides in Google Slides. You'll know where to find the link option, how to right-click to create a link, and then how to link text or images to other slides. Students and teachers can create links between slides in order to make a more interactive presentation. For instance, teachers can create class quizzes or games, and students can create more engaging presentations. Okay, so I have a Google slide open. Now, how I create a link, like if I want to do just the word how, I highlight it, right click by pressing Control and then click. On a Mac or on other computers, Command, click, and then go to link. And now when you're in the link tab, go down, press this button, slides in this presentation, and select next slide if I want that, or slide based on number. So if you want to change the link, you can press change or remove it by pressing remove. Okay, so if we want to link this to slide number 2, all we go to in the taskbar is insert, link, slides and presentation, slide 2. Press apply. And then when we present, we press on this link and it brings us straight to slide 2. So now if I want to make something like a home button by inserting a picture of a house, and then this will take me back to the main screen, I press on the picture, right click, or go to the top bar and press insert. Go to insert, link, and then press the first slide and apply. So now when I present, press on it, it will take me to the first slide. So that is how you link between slides.